Happy Saturday, July 11th. Eddie and Jackie reporting to you from Okeeheelee Park. We haven't been here for a couple of years. It's very quiet. There's nobody around at the moment, so I feel comfortable removing my mask to talk. Eddie and I have not been here for a couple of years, so I'm very excited to take a walk around the nature trail and see what's new at Okeeheelee Park in West Palm Beach.
Face mask recommended, but not mandatory. So, Nature Center is closed, but we get to walk around. So we have walked around the Nature Center, which is closed, and have yet to see another single soul.
I just heard somebody there.
Voices. We are hearing voices.
Because it's a haunted nature trail.
Nature Trail to Hell. Nature. It's a weird Al Yankovic song for you.
The nature trail that's haunted.
Nature Trail to Hell.
Get out.
So I don't know how far we are into the nature trail, but very pretty. No one around us. I feel like it's kind of safe to take off our mask because we're in nature.
We saw two people who had clearly been out exercising on the trail way up near the nature compound itself, and we've seen no one since, so we're feeling pretty comfortable taking off the masks and watching the butterflies floating around. We're somewhere in Okeeheelee Park. Obviously we are around some wetlands. It's wet as far as the eye can see. It's actually really nice out at the moment. We got out early. It's only not quite 9:30 right now, and we've been walking for about 15 minutes already. There's a nice breeze, and hopefully we'll get off the trail before it's 110 degrees. It's really pleasant right now. It's good to be outside, and it's really beautiful here. Oh no, it's a Jesus lizard.
Hello. Looking at us. Looks like a mommy, a daddy, and a baby.
as always, an enjoyable visit. Well marked and well established paths, some very scenic and photogenic places. We got to check out some nature. People were generally pretty polite about putting on their masks as soon as you saw them, as soon as you noticed each other's groups, with the exception of 2 dads, each in families of 4 or 5, where everybody else put on their masks and the dads refused to and kind of just stared straight ahead with set chins. Very enjoyable visit. Always loving Okeeheelee. It's beautifully maintained, and we had a nice little breeze, so it was a nice visit.
Agreed.